What up, YouTube? Is on Prime here. Today I'm going to review Transformers Prime Deluxe Class Ratchet review. So I had this for a while, since it came out in 2012, for 5 years, and basically the story. Basically, I lost this one like a few days when I got it, but yesterday I found it while digging through my closet, looking for old stuff, and yeah. Happily found this figure. Still does have the 2 blades. Oh crap! Luckily, I found these as well. Not bad find. Besides the wheel squeak. But the paint is still good and everything, so it's not ruined. Besides a little bit of paint coming off there, but otherwise, it's actually pretty good condition. So I'm going to basically talk about the weapons now. Come up with 2 of these blades. If you guys saw that. They're like rubbery plastic. Even the pegs are like flexible, which I kind of don't like. I mean, I'm good with the blade part that's flexible, but the peg, don't like that. But it does tab down right here. The blade is pointing at. So that's storage for vehicle mode. Besides, on the box, I believe it does show that the blades are like this, but this is basically like a killer ambulance thing. Don't like that, even though it has 2 holes there. Even has 2 holes up here, so you also put the peg there. But things actually more deeper, a little bit more deeper than the ones in the front. But anyways, let's get on to the transformation. So basically, what you want to do is separate. Take a little bit of force. Hopefully, it won't break the. Oh, there you go. So basically, you want to separate that. You get this on video. And then, so there's like kind of like a tabbing thing here, but underneath the ambulance lights or whatever, it's a little bit tricky. Could be a little bit tricky sometimes, not always. But see this piece tabs under, which isn't the smart thing to do. Then you flip the feet out. I always untab these first, and then flip the feet out like so. This toy is really old, but I'll get to the back later. And then you move this all the way down. Oh yes, I don't know if this is on the instructions, but this if I point at it, but there's a little tab right there, probably get on camera, where it tabs into here. I don't know if I can get it. So when it's like this and we'll have to move, well, I don't know which that is annoying, but as you can see, it could tab right in there to literally hold it in place, which I just found out, but I don't know if it's on the instructions. Maybe it is. But just get that tabbed in there, which is much easier. And so, yeah, that tabbed. Now what you want to do is flip this out to get the shoulders out. And then the hands, you flip that out too. And this, you tab into the little tab. I don't know if the camera will get clear. Oop. But there's a little tab where that just tabs in. Same on the other side. Do the same thing. And alright, so basically when you push back, the head's on like a little spring. So it just tabs in. Boom. Not tabs in, but pops up. And yeah, We got the whole figure transformed. Not a bad looking figure. I wish they could have added paint, orange paint, same color here, on the shoulders, like in a show. And the arms is on 2 elbow joints, here and there. Just like the, basically it's like similar to Hardhead, Titan 10 Hardhead, but like elbow joints technically. Because I do have Hardhead. And yeah, not bad. Robot mode. I'll do like the face, like face look, how the face looks and the head sculpt. I think it looks actually really cool. There you go. Got the camera clear. And yeah, nice detailed torso. And then to get the blades, all you do is flip the hand like so. Then all you do is tab in the blades. Do same thing for the other arm. Hold on, this one tabbed. Alright. And yeah, you basically got the blades in now. And you can pose with them. Mighty cool. And yeah, so this is Ratchet. With the blades posing and stuff. Sorry if the camera quality sucks. And I think it looks like from the show close. The blades are similar from the show. And I could do the box pose. Where on the box he basically shows him his blades like that. Similar to that, but yeah, I do recommend picking this up if you want to pay like almost $70. Because on Amazon it's like close to 70. In my opinion, 60, I think it's $64. Can't remember. Well, I can't, but I just haven't looked on a while. I don't know if I would actually get the other Prime characters because they're like. I mean, I guess I could probably buy the Beast Hunter's Starscream, or the Beast Hunter, you know what I mean. But yeah, I love this figure. It is amazing. Alright, peace out.